On this episode, we've got a HGK built F-22 BMW Eurofighter in for a little header repair. At the last event it competed in, it high-sided over a curb and ended up breaking the header. Now, we were able to get a track repair done, but obviously that doesn't look very great. So follow along as we fix this properly.
Sounds good.
With titanium, cleanliness is of the utmost importance. Any small little piece of debris or grease or anything that's left on the tubing will ultimately affect the overall quality of the product. And with the high level build that this car is, there's no room for having any imperfections.
Sounds right. Sound stripe.
Once I had everything mocked up where I wanted it to go, I then went along and tacked all of the tubing in 4 to 5 different places, really trying to get it to hold still. I then added the collector back onto the headers, so then I can figure out where the final destination of this new header was landing.
Sound stripe.
One final test fit of the header back onto the motor just to make sure it fits well, it clears the frame rail, there were no binding issues. It is a little tricky to get the header into the car, but once it fit and I was able to get it bolted down, there was actually more room than when the header was originally made. So super happy with the outcome, and let's get it welded.
Soundstripe.
We now have the full runner completely welded. I think it turned out pretty well for not welding titanium in a while. You can see it's fully back purged on all joints, all the way around. That's the key to what you're looking for, and that's what will ultimately make a long and lasting exhaust runner as it's welded on both sides. And last but not least, once everything's welded, it's moved the way that the material wants to move, is to tack it all back into place, test fit it, bring it back to the car, and make sure everything's good.
Soundstripe.
And there you have it, a fully repaired header ready for the next event.